Take in the spectacular views of glaciers and deep crevasses en route to our tour base on the Taku River. After you arrive, you'll be fully outfitted in weatherproof gear before boarding the airboat. Get an up-close look at the remote natural beauty in the world from the seat of your boat. Your boat captain has local knowledge of the Taku River and is ready to make you an expert too. Once your airboat tour is completed, you'll take flight to your landing site on the Taku Glacier itself. The combined experience of seeing the glacier from the air and the water will surely be a cherished memory of your time in Alaska.